Let me show you a backup tool for Jira and Confluence that automatically backs up all your data, including projects, issues, boards, pages, spaces, attachments, etc., and allows you to restore that data with a click of a button. Let's go. The app is called Rewind Backups, and you can find it in the Atlassian Marketplace. Install it, and Rewind will begin automatically backing up all your data. This will save you from mistakes and a ton of time doing manual exports and storing and managing versions. Once installed, you have the option to perform partial and full point-in-time data recovery. Let's say you made a mistake and deleted an item from your board. You can do a partial restore by heading to the Rewind app, select the item that was deleted, select the version that you want restored. You can check the source code to see the changes of the versions, hit restore, and Rewind will automatically restore the item within minutes. In the event that all your data is deleted or corrupted, you can also do a full restore by choosing a date and time when everything worked perfectly, and Rewind will bring it all back for you. Start protecting your data today with Rewind.